Hey everyone, today I'm in Southwark in South London and I'm giving you a behind the scenes look of SSFX, the movie. That's right, we're turning the whole project into a feature-length anthology film. This is the location where we're filming today. It's a pretty spacious apartment where some very weird stuff is about to happen. The framing story for SSFX the movie is being shot point of view style, as our main character tries to go about his normal business in the flat. He notices that technology is starting to go on the fritz. In particular, all of these screens, which feature tracking markers, will show the SSFX short films. The idea being that it's space weather and these space sounds that are affecting the technology in his flat. Getting the whole message of SSFX as well as those amazing short films across in one nice package. As you can see, it's dark now, but that is a wrap. We've finished shooting and hopefully you'll get to see SSFX the movie very soon. Thanks for watching.